Hello folks, we are back with this week's top 5 UI inspirations. So without further ado, let's get started. First up is below the surface. Immerse in an AR experience on mobile or just watch the video on the web. They have done a good job of conveying the brutal truth of fishing industries through AR and video. The experience begins with a beautiful spear of water floating in front of you. A fishing boat cruises its surface. As you zoom in, you are transported to a pristine undersea world. Jelly, a Web 3D pipeline, was used to realistically render an underwater environment in real-time 3D. Next up is Kinect Hovis. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you onboard people. In these full-page sections, they explain what they do and how they do it through a combination of images and animations. With clear CTAs on the home page to take you to different pages, navigation should be easy for a new user. The steps are very well explained on each page and help the user to understand the services they provide. Hello Playful. Hello Playful is a creative agency that works around 3D animations and short films. The way the background video is generated and how the showreel loads tells us that if you have made a video, this is how you should brag about it. Videos should have full screen playback for the best viewing experience. Videos shouldn't redirect you to another page or website. Instead, embed them on your website and keep the users on your page. Up next is Capwing's 404 page. More 404 inspiration for you guys. Fellas at Capwing have made a collection of funny 404 illustrations with a witty copy. They are sure to get your creative juices flowing. Finally, we have Dog Studio. The highlight of Dog Studio is, of course, a dog, a 3D dog. It's more of a wolf though. Creative directors went hard on this one for sure. How can you miss the headline? We make good shit.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something new today. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, and to become an undisputed pro in the design game, make sure you download the ProApp.